Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You'll begin by installing both drives and checking firmware. You want the hardware recognized before layering software. Once the drives are physically in place, boot to BIOS and make sure the motherboard detects each SSD. Set SATA to ASI if using SATA drives and ensure any NVMe slots are enabled. This prevents performance and recognition issues later. If you plan RAID, enable the proper controller now, but otherwise leave standard ASI for easiest setup and best OS support. Once done in BIOS, boot into your operating system and open Disk Management or the appropriate tool. You need to initialize new disks with GPT for modern systems. Create partitions and format them with NTFS for Windows or XFAT for cross-platform use, then assign letters or mount points. If you want a single combined volume, use storage spaces, LVM, or motherboard RAID to create a striped or mirrored array. Make sure you understand the speed versus redundancy trade-off before confirming. Finish by updating SSD firmware and enabling trim in the OS to maintain performance. These steps help the drives last longer. Run a short benchmark and copy a few large files to verify expected throughput and watch temperatures to ensure cooling is adequate. If you encounter detection, speed, or boot problems, make sure to reset cables, switch ports, update motherboard and storage drivers, or revert the RAID or pooling choice. Doing that usually isolates whether it's hardware or...
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.